Hello, today we will guide you through how to name a block. In Qualtrics, in this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to rename a block inside the Qualtrics survey editor. Naming your blocks clearly can make your survey much easier to organize, especially if you're working with multiple sections, question groups, or branching logic. A simple, descriptive block name can save time later when you need to review or update your survey. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit Survey area. This is the main workspace where you build and manage your survey content. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see the blocks that make up your survey structure. If your survey has several blocks, take a moment to locate the one you want to rename before making changes. Next, find the current block name and click on it. In this example, it may appear as a sample block name, but the process is the same no matter what the block is currently called. Clicking directly on the block name allows you to edit it. This is helpful when you want to replace a default name with something more meaningful and easier to identify. After selecting the block name, type in the new name you want to use. Enter a clear and relevant title that reflects the purpose of that block. For example, you might choose a name based on the topic of the questions in that section or the audience that block is intended for. Keeping names short but descriptive is usually the best approach because it helps you stay organized without making the survey layout harder to scan. As you rename blocks, try to use a consistent naming style throughout your survey. This can be especially useful if you're collaborating with others or revisiting the survey later. Well-named blocks make navigation smoother and reduce confusion during editing and testing. Once the new name is entered, the block will reflect that updated title in the survey editor, making it easier to identify going forward. And that's all it takes to name a block in Qualtrics. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how manageable your survey is as it grows. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you keep your survey projects organized and easy to work with.